nervous girl living in a nervous world. She waits for
Hey guys, went over to Gotcha Paintball this weekend, and as we're about to start, I noticed that my gun is not shooting. Balls would be breaking in the barrel, and when I push the trigger, there would be air releasing from the trigger area. So, as you can see, I'm having problems, and all this while the game is going on. It's unfortunate, and I wasn't too happy about this, so I decided to forfeit. After attempting to shoot it several more times, as you can see, not having any luck. You can hear the air releasing. You can see my teammate over there standing guard while I'm trying to get my gun working. Okay, so at this point, paint is about to start flying everywhere. So after changing the rate of feed from my Halo 2 hopper to a minimum, everything seems to be working fine. Vanquish 2.0 comes with two types of bolts, a silver one which has a faster rate of fire, and a red one which is slower rate of fire, but it's very soft on paint. This next clip shows the Halo 2 hopper with the rate of feed set to a minimum, and with the red bolt installed in the Vanquish. This clip also shows the Halo 2 hopper rate of feed set to a minimum, but this time I'm using the silver bolt with the faster rate of fire. I'm curious to see if any of you guys experienced this problem in the past. If so, leave a comment below. I'd like to read it and see what you guys did to get it resolved. Thanks for watching, guys.
She stands alone.